Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. And today we're gonna test this beautiful Breville Barista Touch espresso machine. It comes to us with error 5, and that's this sensor, the steam. Let me show it. This one. This is the top of it here. It is the steam temperature, the milk temperature sensor. So, and when I look at the machine also, I found out the machine needs a tune-up. Here's the parts. Let me show how they're broken. Okay. This is the top of it, and this cable is broken from here, so this is the main reason. But also this sensor comes a kit, so this is piece of it, and those two, even this in the bottom of the machine, and that also all get replaced. This all comes with a new kit, and with the tune-up I replaced the gasket and the shower screen, and I give the machine 2 cleaning cycles and descale it. And even I found like even the grinder was like messed up, kind of needs to be clean and calibrate. So I did all of that. Let's go ahead and test the machine, but I don't like to play that much with the calibration, because now it backs to the normal, so the grinder maybe gives more. I keep that to the customer to decide how much grind he wants on the double shots or single. Can customize it like that, make it less or more, the size of, and if it's like finer or coarser. And the size, even this 15 seconds, I guess it needs to be the amount. Anyway, they can do it as they like. So let's go ahead and test it. Make espresso shot. The machine comes without the portafilter or the tamper, so I borrowed this from another machine. I think that's good, or maybe they can add more, so they can make the timing for that more. There you go. This is not the perfect tamper for it, but it's doing the job. So even the timing here can change it, or make the grind finer, so the timing gonna be matched. That's all. The machine functioning perfect. Let me just test also the steamer. Let me do it like here. so I didn't put milk, it's just kind of some of the salt coming out because there was some salt in here. Oops, stop it. Okay, and you put it back, should clean itself. Perfect. And let's test the hot water too. So that works perfect too. Everything is functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.